welcome to MercyBeauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to give you a tour of my apartment. I'm going to show you guys how I decorate my apartment super luxe for Christmas. And guys, I always say the size do matter, but when you don't have the size, you can maximize a small space to make it look very beautiful. Okay guys, before we start the tour, this video is in collaboration with Teddy Blake that sent me this beautiful handbag. And guys, it is not too late to shop your Christmas gift. Guys, you can send it to your friend, your family, or buy it for yourself, because guys, I can promise you it's a super nice handbag. And there are variety of colors. Guys, as you can see, I'm so in love with this bag. Okay guys, as you can see, when you order yours, that's the way the box gonna come. As you can see, it's super well packed. It's so luxurious and feels so good to touch. Oh my god, you have to order yours so you can see what I'm talking about. This bag is so beautiful. Like I said to you before, if you don't like the black, you can order other colors because there are variety of colors. Me, I love black because I can wear it with so many outfits. That's why I chose the black one. But if you don't like black, you can always choose other colors. And guys, as you can see the inside, I'm going to remove the paper so you can see how everything look inside the bag. The bag is so luxurious. The leather is pure Italian leather. As you can see inside guys, so beautiful, and it's so soft. Oh my god, I don't have no word to explain guys. It's so nice. So you need something like that if you want to, oh my god, you're going out or anywhere guys, you're gonna look and feel expensive. I can promise you that. As you can see the inside, the handbag is high quality construction. As you can see guys, it's luxury for a fraction of the price. Inside the bag has two pockets. As you can see guys, one come with a zipper and the other one without a zipper. And the feel is so good. It's so soft when you touch it. The quality of the material, it's everything. Guys, when you're spending your money, you're supposed to spend your money in a good thing that's going to last you for a long time. Me, I'm all about quality. So I don't know how many bags you can have, but when you have a good quality one, it's just like override every other one. So guys, it's a good thing to spend your money in something very nice. This handbag guys is a must-have because it look and feel luxurious. As you can see, very beautiful. And guys, if you want something like that, make sure to check the link in the description box down below, because if you buy to my link, you're gonna help out the channel and you're going to have a super luxurious handbag for a fraction of the price of the big brands. As you can see the inside, it's super nice in and out. And guys, the quality, as I cannot stress it enough guys, the quality is so great. So you won't be disappointed with this handbag. Like I said, if you don't like the black one, you can always choose other colors or style. But me, I love this one. Once I go to the website, I saw this one, I say yes, this have to come home. So I love it so much guys. If you want something like mine, you can order it, or if you don't like it, you want other colors, so feel free to check the link, the description box down below. And please guys, anybody you can give a gift like that will love it. Okay guys, let's go back to the apartment and keep on watching. This video is super rental friendly guys. If you need idea on how to make your apartment, your home look luxurious on a budget, you come into the right place. As you can see how the before was, transform it into a most beautiful luxurious apartment. A lot of DIYs. If you missed my other videos, I'm going to link them down below. Please check them to see how I transform everything. Keep on watching.
'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been lost.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and hit on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, clean with me, DIY, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I would never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all, guys, and keep on watching.
La 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 la, oh oh oh. La 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 la, oh oh. La 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 la, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing now.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime décorer ti appartement moyen pour Noël. Mes amis, moi toujours dit nous pas besoin d'un château pour nous faire les luxe. Avec un petit, même qu'on pas gain pile cob, sur une channel moyen ou ka décorer caillou, appartement sans pas dépenser un pile cob. Et si pas la première fois tout guys, moi dis merci en pile pour support. Moi remets nous en pile, s'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder la vidéo. Joyeux Noël et bonne année mes amours, un pile plaisir pour le gars. Je vous aime beaucoup guys, moi remets nous en pile.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh. La 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 la, oh oh oh. La 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 la, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment j'ai décoré mon petit appart pour Noël. Vraiment luxe, sans avoir dépensé beaucoup d'argent. Et si vous n'êtes pas ici pour la première fois, je vous dis un grand merci à tous mes abonnés. Un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime beaucoup, guys. Et n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un très grand plaisir. Merci beaucoup. Joyeux Noël mes amours et bonne année. Je vous aime beaucoup guys, je vous aime trop. I love you guys.
Hang by the fire, chill. Is how it's supposed to be.
I'm going to let the music play. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and your family. Okay guys, keep on watching.
To hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la, oh oh, la 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 la, oh oh, la 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 la, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I just want to let you know, guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you are a very big part of it. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. Happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from my family to yours. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.